It's over. Today is the day Typewriter Monkey Task Force ends. Years of work, hundreds of posts, thousands of cups of coffee. It all comes crashing down today.
Hey! Quit that!
Quit what?
Quit being so grim. You make it sound like someone's died.
Excuse me, princess. I'm just trying to help.
Well, stop. Go be gloomy and dramatic somewhere else. Go on! Get! Oh. Sorry about that. Well, my vlog has ended. There's a lot I could say. There's a lot I could say. But I'll keep it short. I don't want to waste anyone's time.
You should have thought of that before starting a blog.
Shut up your face!